Hello students! Today went by fast. If you need help with our reading assignment that is due today, I will show you how to do it. You will start at Clever. You will log in with your Clever badge. Okay, the next thing you'll do is you'll go to Google Classroom and you will log into your Google Classroom account. You might have to do your email if it hasn't happened before, then you'll select me. Alright, you logged into Google Classroom, you select our class, Miss Upman's, Miss Fatwai, if that's you. You click Classwork. You're going to click down to Assignments, and you're going to click on this right here. Now, the Get Epic is right here, the class code is right here, so I might copy paste this. I'm going to click the link. I'm going to paste my code, and actually your computer should remember it for next time, so you don't have to do it once. I made you an account already. So you're going to click on yourself. You have tons of books to choose from. Look at all these little, so there's 40,000 books. Here's a way to make it easy. You click on the grade, level, etc. Pick a book, read it for 20 minutes. If you want to know more about how to find good books, here is a link here. The last thing you need to do, after you read for 20 minutes, there's two parts. Read for 20 minutes and do your log. Click here. You fill out this form, your name, your book, one sentence, a capital and a period, exclamation mark if it was really exciting, and push submit. Then you say mark is done. Okay? Watch this video as many times as you need to. That's your homework today. It's due at midnight. I hope none of you guys are working that late, but I wanted to give you flexibility if you need to do it in the afternoon. Have an awesome day. I will see you tomorrow. It's worth 5 points. If you are reading a paper book, just send me an email if I haven't confirmed it with you already. But many of you showed me in your cameras already or asked about your e-readers like Kindles, and that's fine. I just need you to read a book of anything for 20 minutes, but 40,000 books on Epic. Have a great day.